Windows 11. It's a good thing that my parents gave me a new computer known as Windows 11. Too bad that Windows 10 was ended supported 1 year ago. Luckily I have Windows 11. Now let's go on Google. What? It says downgrading to Windows 10. But dude, this OS is ended supported 1 year ago. Oh well, let's downgrade then. Windows 8.1, I've never heard of that, but that's alright. Windows 8, oh great, I remembered that my dad used his computer since years ago. That's okay then. Windows 7 was still alright. My dad used that before he had Windows 8 computer. I remember that Windows Vista. I used it since when I was a kid. Great, I can downgrade it. Never heard of Windows Longhorn before. I am neutral of that. Oh boy, Windows XP. I used to remember my mom and my dad used that for working. My gosh, I am gonna downgrade it now. Alright, cut it out already and give me Windows 11 back or I'll break my PC and get a new one. What? You know what, I will turn it off. Wait the second, why's the color red?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How dare you skip to downgrade into Windows 2000? I haven't remembered that OS before. That's it, I'll break this thing at my PC.
Ugh, you know what, how about this? Are you serious? Screw this stupid downgrader, I wish I need to upgrade Windows 11. Yes, I knew it, it worked. Now time for... Wow, what just happened?
Welcome to your worst nightmare. We will take you skip downgrading to Windows 3.1.
I don't like this Windows 3.1, that was it.
How dare you throw tomato at me? That's it, we will skip to downgrade Windows 3.0.
Screw this, I will turn it off then.
Wait, if you turn it off you will lose your computer.
Huh, what did he said? I think he said if I turned it off this PC, then I will lose my PC. Well, whatever man. Let's go on.
Ha. There's no escape now. You have to enter your code.
Oh my gosh, will you stop doing this nonsense right now? I've had enough of my patience, remember. Entering the code is so boring to this day. Will you shut your mouth already?
Okay, fine. You win this time. Geez, here is your Windows 11. Okay. I promise I won't give you a code because you hate it. Please don't try to kill me.
Yippee, I have Windows 11. So guys, thanks for watching and see you for more videos and goodbye.